Whether you have never written an automated test before, or you have written plenty but never built a framework, this course meets you where you are. So most testers know what Playwright is. Far fewer know how to build a production-ready framework with it. And that gap between knowing the tool and using it professionally is what this course closes. The global automation testing market was valued at over $20 billion in 25 and is projected to reach $84 billion by 2034. Playwright job posting tripled between 24 and 26. So the skill is clearly in demand, and this course teaches you how to build with it professionally. Everything we build uses TypeScript and Playwright together. Even if you have never worked with TypeScript before, we will exactly cover what you need as we build. It's the language most Playwright teams use in production, giving us type safety and easier maintenance at scale. Every section answers one question. Will a student who completes this be able to do it confidently at work and talk about it clearly in an interview? This is not to make you tutorial ready, but interview ready. And here is what we are building. We start with the foundation, Playwright basics, locators, assertions, then framework building, fixtures, authentication, POM, reporting, API testing, parallel execution, CI/CD with GitHub Action. And once the framework is in place, we explore how AI can accelerate test automation, writing, debugging, code review, Playwright MCP. And we are building all of this against a practical e-com application with most of the features: product search, cart, coupon validation, order placement, history, profile management, and API testing. By the time you finish, you will be able to walk into an interview and talk through exactly what you built and why. And this is a framework we will have clean, production ready, CI enabled, organized, and this is what your reports look like: screenshot, video, trace, full dashboard view, the kind of framework you would actually take to your job. Now let's talk about who this course is designed for.